In this review video, we're going to talk about finding the tangent of an angle. So really it's just one definition. Tangent we define to be the sine of the angle divided by the cosine. So you have to remember that tangent is sine over cosine. And then it's just about a matter of simplifying. All right, so if I want to find tangent of 3 pi over 4, well, 3 pi over 4 is an angle on our unit circle right here. So I'm going to do tangent is the sine of that angle over the cosine of the angle. And the sine of the angle is the y value. The cosine of the angle is the x value. So I just put those in here. Here, this one simplifies kind of nicely because they're the exact same, so they cancel out, and I just get that -1. All right, tangent of pi over 6. All right, pi over 6 is here. And tangent is the sine value over the cosine value. So we're going to do the 1/2, the y value, divided by the square root of 3 over 2. And now we just have to simplify. And all we really need to do to simplify is remember, if we're dividing fractions, we do change flip. So I keep 1/2 the same. Division becomes multiplication. And I flip this fraction here. And when I multiply across, the 2's cancel. So I just have a 1 on the top and the square root of 3 on the bottom. And this is the final answer a lot of you guys write. And that's not fully simplified because we have a rule that we shouldn't have square roots in the bottom of a fraction. So the way we fix that is we just multiply the square root by itself on the top and bottom, because the square root times itself, the square root cancels, and I just get the number 3. On the top, 1 times the square root, I just get the square root. All right, so this is the fully simplified answer, the one you'd want to get full credit on the right here. All right, this is good that you got this far, but just make sure you rationalize that denominator and you get here for your final answer. All right, and that'll happen whenever you have that over 6 in your tangent. All right, so now you actually have all the skills, or reviewed all the skills for this skill. All right, so go ahead and attempt that practice page on the exam and see how you do.